Good morning, students. Students, we are doing the chapter Respiration in Organism, in which we have completed all the topics, and today we have to start the exercises. So, students, let us start exercise A, in which we have to do fill in the blanks. Question number 1 of exercise A is lactic acid is produced during dash respiration. As you know that lactic acid is produced during anaerobic respiration. So we will write anaerobic here. In question number 2, insects have organs called dash for respiration. The respiratory organ of insects are trachea. So we will write trachea here. In question number 3, taking in of air rich in oxygen is called taking in of air rich in oxygen. It is called inhalation, or you can write inspiration also. In question number 4, an adult human being normally breathes from dash to dash times per minute. As we know that the breathing rate of normal human being is from 14 to 20 breaths per minute. So we will write 14 and 20 in the blanks. In question number 5, the movement of lungs is controlled by dash and the dash. As we know that the movement of lungs is controlled by rib cage and diaphragm. In question number 6, dash acts as the respiratory carrier in our body. As we know that hemoglobin acts as the respiratory carrier. Hemoglobin is known as respiratory carrier because it transports oxygen to all parts of the body. Now exercise B is match the following. In group A, the terms are lactic acid, stomata, respiratory carrier, lenticles, and alcohol. And in B, it is transpiration, pores on branches, muscle cramps, fermentation of yeast, and hemoglobin is there. And we have to match these two. The first one is lactic acid, which we will match with muscle cramps. Stomata will be matched with transpiration. Respiratory carrier will be matched with hemoglobin. And lenticles will be matched with pores on branches. Alcohol, we will match alcohol with fermentation of yeast. Once again, lactic acid will be matched with muscle cramps. Stomata with transpiration. Respiratory carrier with hemoglobin, lenticles with pores on branches, and alcohol with fermentation of yeast. In exercise C, we have to take the correct option. The first question is respiration helps in. The four options are locomotion, digestion, absorption, and obtaining energy. As we know, the correct option is obtaining energy. Second is stomata perform the function of. Four options are there: absorption of water, absorption of minerals, exchange of gases, and movement of food. Second option, that is exchange of gases, is correct. Question number 3 is the process represented by the equation, that is glucose plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. The options are is photosynthesis, is transpiration, is fermentation, or is aerobic respiration. The last option, that is aerobic respiration, is correct. In question number 4, to survive plants root need carbon dioxide, oxygen, chlorophyll, and sunlight. Oxygen is the correct option. In 5, earthworms and leeches respire through their four options are lungs, trachea, gills, and skin. Skin is the correct option. Earthworms and leeches respire through their skin. In exercise D, we have to answer the given questions in brief. The first one is define respiration. Name the two types of respiration. Respiration is the process. As you know that respiration is the process of releasing energy from absorbed food with the help of oxygen. This is known as respiration. Once again, respiration is the process in which organism converts sugars into biochemical energy using oxygen. This process is known as respiration. There are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Now in question number 2, we have to write the name of respiratory organs of crab. The name of respiratory organ of crab is gills, man, lungs, leech, skin, and an insect has the respiratory organ with the name trachea. Crab gills, man, lungs, leech, skin, and an insect trachea. Transpiration. Third question is define transpiration. Transpiration is the process of removal of excess water from the plant through the open stomata present on the leaves in the form of water vapor. The process by which plant loses extra water in the form of water vapor through open stomata is known as transpiration. In question number 4, define the term breathing rate. How many times a person breathes per minute is known as breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes per minute is known as breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes in 1 minute is known as the breathing rate. In question number 5, name the body organs which help lungs during the process of breathing. The body organs which help lungs during the process of breathing is diaphragm and rib cage. Once again, the body organs which help lungs during the process of breathing are diaphragm and rib cage. Now, question number 6, why do we need to breathe out carbon dioxide? We need to we need to breathe out carbon dioxide because high levels of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic, and that's why carbon dioxide needs to be removed. The high level of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic, and hence carbon dioxide needs to be removed. Once again, high level of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic, so carbon dioxide needs to be removed out of the body. So students, we have completed exercise A, B, C and D today. We will discuss the questions of exercise E tomorrow. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.